Did you know that every second your body produces 25 million new cells? That's right. An incredible renewal process is constantly happening within you. Scientists are still uncovering the mysteries of how each organ regenerates and repairs itself. Some so quickly they're almost brand new within days, while others remain unchanged for years. Today we'll explore these fascinating timelines for each of your major organs and discover why understanding them can make a difference in your health and well-being. But first, hit that subscribe and like button so you don't miss any new videos and help this channel grow. Now let's start with the fastest regenerators in your body, the stomach and intestinal lining, 3 to 5 days. The cells in your stomach and intestines face constant wear from digestion, so they're replaced frequently, roughly every 3 to 5 days. This rapid renewal is essential to protect against damage from stomach acid in digesting food. According to research from the University of California, these cells regenerate in just a matter of days to keep everything running smoothly. Skin cells, every 2 to 4 weeks. Your skin, the body's largest organ, renews itself every 2 to 4 weeks. Skin cells are constantly exposed to the environment, so they need to replace themselves often to protect you from bacteria, UV rays, and other external threats. This process slows as we age, which is why skincare and sun protection becomes so important. Liver, 6 to 12 months. The liver is the powerhouse of detoxification, and it has an impressive ability to regenerate. If part of it is removed, it can regrow back to its original size in as little as 6 months. Johns Hopkins University research shows that this rapid regeneration helps maintain metabolic functions and detoxifies the body effectively. Bones, every 7 to 10 years. Bones might seem solid and unchanging, but they're in a constant state of remodeling. Bone cells renew slowly, and a full skeletal renewal takes around 7 to 10 years. Interestingly, fractures heal faster because the body diverts resources to repair the break rather than general remodeling. Researchers from Harvard University suggest that maintaining bone health with nutrition and exercise is key to supporting this long process. Heart cells, limited regeneration. The heart is one of the slowest regenerators in the body, with heart muscle cells rarely renewing. Limited regeneration occurs, but it's not enough to replace damaged heart tissue fully. This is why heart health is so crucial. Damaged cells don't bounce back the same way skin or liver cells do. Brain cells, some never renew. The brain has a mix of cells that never regenerate, like neurons in the cerebral cortex and others in the hippocampus that regenerate slowly, aiding memory. Studies from Stanford University show that neurons remain for life, which is why brain injuries are so challenging to heal. Understanding how our organs regenerate can help us make informed choices about our health, from heart care to skin health. If you're fascinated by the body's natural ability to repair, stay tuned to learn more about what you can do to support these processes. Thank you for watching.